Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Fuel efficient 27 mpg highway/20 mpg city. Very nice. Carfax 1 owner, low miles, 17,356. Sunroof, nav, heated leather seats, third row seat, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels. Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle. Potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,000 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Shop with confidence. Experts report. Edmunds.com explains from the extra classy exterior styling to the impressively well-appointed interior, the XC90 exudes panache. More than a good-looking car, though, the 2018 XC90 drives well and has precise handling and a sense of stability on the road. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.